What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we have a portable car vacuum cleaner. We're gonna test this one, we're gonna unbox it, test it, and let's see how good it is. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the vacuum cleaner. You can use it like this. It looks nice. It's nice. And this is the cigarette lighter connection. It comes with an extra filter, so it has one there and it has another one here, a brush to clean it, the back to store it, and has these extensions. You can, I think, yeah, these adapters, they go here to put the hose if you want to use the hose for tight spaces, and this one is for the tight spaces. Has a brush. You can remove the brush too, like this. You can remove it. Well, you can remove it. Oh no, you can leave it there, and you can use this like this. Okay, that's great. So now it's time to test it. Let's see if it works, how loud it is, if it picks the dust, the power, everything. Let's see it. Okay guys, as you can see, it's dirty, so we're gonna test it on the mat and on the carpet. Let's see if it works. Okay, so this one, the hand grip is made of plastic. Also, let's see if this one uses a bag. Let me see. Okay, no. So all the trash is stored here, I think, or here, I think. Yeah, so the trash, it gets stored inside here, so no bag. You don't need to get a bag for this one. Okay, now let's connect it on here. Okay, let me see. Now let's hear the noise. Okay, how loud it is, so you can hear it. Hold on, let's hear it. Alright, so it makes noise, but it's not that loud. For me it's alright, it's not too loud. Okay, let's test it without any tool in here, no attachment. Okay, let's test it without the attachments. The power went off. Okay, first test without any attachment. It works great. As you can see, it cleaned everything, but it's not perfect. Okay, I think we need the attachment. So now let's test it with the brush. This one, I think this one is gonna work better. Let's see. See how this one think that's it. I think so. It's all the way in. So first attachment, the brush. Let me see if this one is all the way. Yes. Let's do it. Oh yeah, it's better. Second test with the attachment, the brush. Amazing. Look at the difference. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. No dust. Now let me remove the liner, floor liner, to do it without this. So now let's test it over here. Let's do it. Wow. Amazing. I like it. Man, I love it. Only one thing, the brush, maybe you can, I think you can, yeah, you can move it, because there are areas you don't need the brush, like this one. Alright, here is with the hose attachment. You can see has one connection for this one, for this the vacuum, and the other one it connects with the brush, with this one. Okay, so now let's test this thing with this. Okay, it works great with the attachment hose. It's amazing. The only thing I wish that the hose were a little bit longer, maybe double the size, because when you're moving this, you're moving the that like this when you're cleaning the carpet. Okay, so I wish the hose were a little bit longer, maybe the double of this length, the double, this, another one too. That's the only thing I wish, but other than that, it works great. It cleans real good, amazing. Look at this. Amazing, super nice and clean. Wow. So now the next test is to empty the trash. Let's see how easy it is to empty the trash from here, from the plastic. Let's see. Okay, now we're gonna see how to empty this. Okay, I have the little brush just in case, but this one, okay, so in here there's a little bit of dust, not a lot. Okay, now this one, let me just remove some of that. From the filter. The filter. Okay, so that's the trash. It's not a lot. Yeah, so if you want, you can use this to clean it, or with a microfiber you can clean it up in here. I'm just gonna clean it like that, but the filter, So it's easier like that. Yes. All right. Oh, now let's put it back. Let's see how hard it is. It has the shape of this one, the cover. So goes like this. Yeah, that's it. Let's do a last clean here, and voila. It's clean. So it's easy to clean. No bag, no mess. Amazing. Okay guys, that was the car vacuum cleaner. It's great, the size is small, I like it. It's not that loud, that's a good thing too. And the hose works great. The only thing, I wish that the hose were longer, because the hose is a little bit short. You have to grab the vacuum and the hose one hand and the other hand. I wish the hose was longer so you can use your only one hand to clean, to vacuum the interior. Okay, this one works great and it's amazing. I recommend it. The link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, that helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.